Monday, happy Friday, since you're probably watching this on upload day, or hopefully you are. If you're not, click the bell notification, that way you never miss a video. But today's a little bit of a crazy day. I have 2 phones. So you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, my parents own their own business, and sometimes I take the phones for them. Normally they forward it to my cell phone, but since my dad was here last night, he is helping a friend move in another part of North Carolina. He dropped off this phone so that way I could take the calls for the week. So yeah, so I've been busy answering phone calls for them. I've been cutting orders, and now I think I'm finally done with the orders, so I'll package them up in a little bit. They're not gonna make it in the mailbox today. So I think that I will just package them up later, and then I will continue to go through and reformat our script stickers and get those ready so that way I can put them in the shop for Black Friday. But I feel like this vlog is insane. This day is insane. This week is insane. And I feel like I say that in every video. But you guys, the past couple months, it's just like really started to pick up, like with everything. With my business, with life stuff, just everything. And so I'm a little out of sorts today because I have to take the phones, and I feel like I can't vlog as much or talk to you guys as much because the phone might ring, you know? And so it's just, it's just a little crazy. But yeah, I've been working on orders. I uploaded today's video, which will go live in about an hour, and just been trying to get everything done. I'd like to film a plan with me sometime today, but I don't know that that's going to happen just because I do have the phones. So not only do I have the phones, but then I have to call my mom and like tell her where to go because she's running the business right now. And so it's just been a little insane today. But yeah, it is Monday. I'm somehow still managing to get everything done that I need to, which is good, but it's been insane. So anyway, I just want to pop on and say hi. I'll probably do like a combined like couple days in my life video, just because like I said, this week's a little different and I'm not as free to vlog as I normally am because I'm like, oh, I might get a phone call and I've got to take that. So yeah, but I'm going to package up these orders here in a little bit. I'm also going to be cutting some more of like our script stickers. I printed some off last week that I need to cut, and then I also need to keep reformatting them. And I'm just trying to come out with as much stuff as I can for Black Friday. So that is what we are doing. Okay guys, so it is 5:07 and I've done so much today, and I've also done so much talking that like my throat hurts now because like, not hurts, like I'm not sick, but just like from talking so much more than I normally talk. I'm tired. I'm so worn out. I'm just like, it wasn't bad, but I'm just not used to taking phone calls all the time. Like, and normally whenever my parents need me to take the phones, it's only for a few hours at a time. And this was like from 9 to 5. This was like my full-time job. So I was still able to do my work while doing that, but I definitely was on the phone a lot today, which I'm like, I'm so glad. My dad just let me know that he took the phones back. So I have a phone here, but he forwards his phone, because his phone is like the business phone, he forwards it to that phone. So he took the phones back, so I don't have to take any more calls tonight, which I'm excited about. So I also just finished some orders. I've printed off and cut stock for Black Friday. I did some other stuff for my parents, some sticker related stuff, and I uploaded a video. I've just done a lot today, but I didn't really get to show all of that or talk about it. But hopefully you guys understand. And I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow, but my battery is flashing, so I'm gonna go charge this battery, and I'm just gonna like sit and not talk for a little while until James comes home. So hey guys, welcome to day 2 of this vlog. So it is Tuesday. I once again will have the phones for my parents, so I'm not quite sure how much I'm really going to be able to chat with you guys today, but I haven't taken them yet, so I'm able to chat for a second. I'm hoping that it won't be too crazy, but you just never know. So anyway, on today's agenda, I need to print and cut some stock for Black Friday, and then I want to do like the divider tabs for my stock, because I haven't done the ones for Valentine's Day or any of the new stuff I'm coming out with, and I want to have it like all organized and ready to go. And then I think those are my main things, and also finish editing and uploading the video for tomorrow. I think those are my main things for today. I'm hoping that I don't have the phones. I'll probably have them tomorrow for sure, but I'm hoping I won't have them Thursday and Friday, because it does slow me down a little bit with my work, and I don't mind helping my parents at all. Like I love my parents. I would do anything for them, but I'm also like, this is like the week before Black Friday. Like I need to get everything done. And on top of that, we are going to visit my family next week for Thanksgiving, and so I'm like, I've got to have everything done by like Tuesday night. So I'm a little stressed. I've got to do listing photos still. I've got to do all the listings. I've got to get all the videos ready for next week. There's just a lot. So anyway, I'm going to power through, get what I can done today. Obviously, I'm probably going to have to work at night some, but that's okay. James has been working on his video game that he's creating, so I can just work while he's working. So it's not that big of a deal, but I'm just feeling the pressure a little bit, which is fine. Like I'm just putting all this pressure on myself, and it's really not, I mean, it'll all get done. It always gets done. Everything that has to get done always seems to get done, so we are good. But anyway, I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna try to set up the camera while I'm working on reformatting the scripts, and I have like a ton of stuff already printed and cut, so I just want to finish out the scripts and then do all the listing photos, which I don't know if listing photos will be done today. I'm going to try to do them Thursday, maybe Friday. Oh wait, today's only Tuesday. I might try to do them tomorrow. I just gained an extra day. I might try to do them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, do all my listings on Monday to have them set and ready to go for Friday, and then do all my video stuff on, like, I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy. So anyway, I'm just gonna get to work and get it done. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will pop in hopefully later to chat with you guys. I'm sorry that this video is not the norm, but I appreciate you guys sticking with me and continuing to support my videos. It's been a day. I was on the phone again for most of the day, just doing a lot of stuff for my mom and dad for their business, and it's pretty much going to be like that for the entire week. But I did get a lot of work done for myself. I got a lot of stuff reformatted, printed, cut, all of that fun stuff. And then I also finished editing my video for tomorrow, so that's good. But I feel like this vlog has been a little all over the place just because this week is not my normal schedule, so I'm sorry about that. So I wanted to wrap up the vlog, but before I end the vlog, I wanted to show you guys some new stuff that is coming to the shop next week. I am so excited. I haven't even opened the box yet. It was delivered today, and I meant to open it and share it with you guys, but I couldn't film. So here we are. It is like 7:30 at night, and I want to just wrap up my day. I'm very, very tired after all of this. So anyway, I'm just now getting to this. So let's open this and look at all the good, fun, what am I trying to say? All the stuff. Okay, so far I'm really impressed with this company because everything is like packaged so nicely. Like, this is so great. So the first thing that I got are these Mindset is Everything sticky notes. So I got several of those. So I got a lot of like these vinyl waterproof stickers. I think they're vinyl. It feels like vinyl. So this one just says, be a nice human. I think that's something that we need more of these days. So I got some of those. I got this one which says, create your own sunshine. And all of these are like limited stock, as with like everything that I buy like on my wholesale websites and such. So there's never a guarantee that I can get these back in stock once they sell out. So if you see anything in this video that you want, I highly recommend picking it up when these things go live, especially with Black Friday, because you can get a good deal. This one says, progress over perfection, choose joy. And I thought that was really cute. This one is so pretty. Dream Chaser is what that says. And it's just this super pretty holographic. The next one is, every day is a fresh start. Loving like this packaging. Like this this company did a really great job with packaging. Trust the process. Okay, I think there's just one more. And then this one, which is life happens, coffee, what does it say? Coffee helps. Life happens, coffee helps. I thought this one was really cute. Then I only have 3 of these because I guess they were being discontinued, but I have 3 of these little holographic like rainbow stickers, and they're a decal, so you can put them on like your computer, your laptop or whatever, or like a cup. I'm like, what is that thing? A cup. You can tell I'm really tired tonight. This day really was a day. And then the last, is this the last thing I got? I think so. Looks like it. Is this Dream Chaser notepad. And I just thought this was really, really cute. And I loved how it said Dream Chaser. There's so many other amazing products from this shop that I want to add to my shop and share with you guys. So I already have like stuff loaded in my cart ready to go. But yeah, these are all of the fun things. I'm really excited that I can offer sticky notes now. That's something that's completely brand new. And also like these stickers, these vinyl stickers, that's a completely new thing. So yeah, those are all of the new things that are not like my stickers that are coming to the shop for Black Friday. That is probably going to be it for this vlog. I'm sorry that it was a little out of sorts, but thank you for sticking with me. Not every week is like this. It's just kind of a crazy week for my family, and I'm just trying to help out and do what I can. So yeah, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.